Thank you very
I
much.
now want to show you some parts that we can demonstrate some nice features on.
Sure.
So for example, this part here. This is an assembly of various parts. It's a tool storage box that you can use in your garage.
Yeah.
This is all done on this machine. The outer housing, the inner drawers, all done on this machine.
And that's all stainless?
Galvanized. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, I
galvanized.
see. Okay. Yeah.
And I want to show some specifics. For example, this handle here, it's hammed
Oh, yeah.
and then radius bent.
Yeah.
And you see it feels really nice.
Is it a bump?
Yes, it's a bump bend.
Yeah. Okay.
It consists of several bends that can be done in really high performance on a panel bender.
Okay.
Again, only very small ways that the tools and the manipulators have to travel. And this feels sturdy and nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty good thickness of metal.
Exactly.
But you see something like this, and it automatically says to me, "Let's try that on a panel bender instead of a press brake," right?
So basically, panel benders always, let's say a rule of thumb is if you have one larger surface
Yeah.
and the majority of bends from that surface go upwards, then it's already a good candidate to think about doing it on a panel bender.
Yeah.
Of course, we do feasibility studies to prove that out, but that's a good rule of thumb. It's something that we just made recently, actually together with customers. This is a display of a server rack.
Yeah. This is a huge opportunity for fabricators.
Exactly. So the data center trend is something that drives the industry into a certain direction. And you can see here the whole assembly is made out of base plates and top plate. We have legs here. We have a chiller housing at the top. And all those parts that are bent here can be done on a panel bender.
I was noticing this. That will do. That's like a standard 19-inch racking system.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Usually those are a bit bigger in data centers.
Yeah.
But also if we extend it, it's totally possible on this machine.
Yeah. Sure.
And it's also the typical gauge that is used in data centers.
Yeah.
And all of those parts are formed on this machine
Yeah.
and later laser welded in our TruLaser 5000, TruLaser Weld 5000. Why is it important? Because laser welding gives you the performance that you need to be competitive in this kind of industry, but you need the accuracy of a good panel bender to meet the requirements to laser weld it later.
Yeah.
So also from the thickness perspective, this is really, let's say, a good application.
Yeah. What is this?
I think it's 2.5 mil.
Okay. Yeah. Very nice.
And what's also nice about this machine is we are very flexible in the material. So we can process material up to, I think, 0.16 inches of thickness.
Okay.
So that's also industry benchmark. So our tooling is really sturdy for that. The whole machine body is sturdy. The tooling is all laser hardened. You never have to regrind your tooling on a TRUMPF panel bender. So this essentially gives you benefits on the cost of tooling and on downtime. Because usually if you have to regrind tooling on a panel bender, you take out the whole set, you send it to the factory, they regrind it in a piece, then you get it back, not necessary on a TRUMPF panel bender. Stays good forever.
Okay. Cool. Well, Sebastian, this has been a great opportunity for us. Thank you for having us, for inviting us into the Smart Factory. We appreciate it.
It's great to have you here.
All right.